doing, Snoops? Are you a puppy?
Are you a headbanger?
Hey, Ava, you got some stuff in your mouth. You know that? Are you looking at this, Cat Matt? Oh, she opened it. Oh no. She got it. She didn't realize she had it though, and it freaked her out.
Ooh, careful.